Hey, we're here at the superhero secret training base and I got a couple of packages. I'm really not too sure what they are. It's like Christmas every time the order comes in because you wait so long you just forget whatever it was. This time I got my knife and I'm going to be seeing what's in here. Packed nicely. I'll be opening this one and then I'll do a video on the other one. Oh. Not expecting that. Pretty sweet. Check it out. You can see. There we go. I didn't even know if these things would be coming. Let's see if they're even any good. It's probably nothing like I thought it would be. Thought it would be a little bigger than that. Lightsabers. See if it's anything close to what was advertised. This thing looks pretty damn small. This is like nothing what was advertised. It was supposed to be a dueling lightsaber, but this looks really cheap and small. It's definitely not a dueling lightsaber. This is like a really cheap prop. What the heck? The video advertising what I was supposed to get. Supposed to be dueling ones. You kind of duel with it, but it's definitely not an adult one. It's very cheap. That's false advertising at its finest. I don't know what these are. Oh, probably go here or something. Do this first. Assuming this comes off, and those things go in there. Go the right way. Nope, go this way. Oh, that's a letdown. I was expecting to get something really awesome. I got something really crappy. Don't you love false advertising? Cool kid's toy. You could take a pretty good hit though. Kind of duel with it, but not nearly as good as I was supposed to be in the advertisement. Imagine a magic trick. There's my knife. Thought I made it disappear. So what's in here? I ordered real dueling lightsabers with aluminum handles, and clearly that's not what came in. What you call ripping off. Ordered from, I think, Woofy FX or something. I ordered from. Advertised on Facebook for a dueling lightsaber, and I got crap. Basically. What the heck is that? I don't know what the point of that is. Ooh. Well, as you can see, they're all the same. Batteries not included. It's supposed to light up. It's pretty disappointing on the fact that these are not real. And they advertised real dueling lightsabers. This is bullshit. Pretty horrible. It's not even like lined up properly. It's kind of broken.
There's a piece on the ground.
That'll help. Sort of. Just to hold it together. That sucks. I was getting something really awesome and it turned out to be really cheap and crappy. And why are they all the same? Never order from Woofy FX again, because they are false advertising. As you can see, I was supposed to get real dueling lightsabers with aluminum handles, cheap plastic, very small kid's toy. I don't know what the heck of the point of this thing does. I feel like they'll break after a little while. Pretty dented. Definitely not dueling lightsabers. And take a close look. They are what you call crap. Little cheap kids' toys. You can buy something better at Walmart. At least they're full size. Anyways, thanks for watching my unboxing. Too bad it was not satisfying for me, because it was nothing like what I ordered. But stay tuned for more unboxing. Thank you.